All right, bottom of the hour, and it's time to talk about your love life.
All right, kids out of the room. Here we go. Dr. Viviana Cole's here with 4 ways to get more vocal in the bedroom, even if you're super shy. That's possible, huh?
That's the key, because there are so many people who are like, I could never talk dirty, or I could never. Let me give you some simple ways to show your partner that you're having a good time, or what to do when you're not having a good time. The first one that you can do is say, ah, ah.
Okay. Well, that doesn't sound too difficult.
Not too difficult, but for a lot of people...
I didn't hear you say it, Delon.
I have nothing to say about this one. I'm listening. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, next step. Another easy one. Again, no excuses. Ooh. Ooh.
Okay.
There's no picking her. We're just
going
nodding.
to the next level. Yes. A nice, big, wholehearted yes can go a long way in helping your partner know that they're on the right track and that you're having a good time. Mm-hmm. Okay? And then, oh, wow, these faces, your eyes are boring holes into this. And the final one, if you want to really take it to the next level, is to say, I like that. I like that.
Those are very simple.
Very
and you feel
simple.
like it can seriously make a difference.
It can, because
better than silence.
I'm not kidding. There are some clients that I've had that have said, my partner literally says nothing. They're not like making faces, or they're just, there's nothing. Mm-hmm. And a lot of, especially women, are not really socialized to vocalize in a way that is comfortable to them. And then, of course, because of different types of movies and things that are out there that are unrealistic, so many men are experiencing this sense of like, I must be doing something wrong, because there's really like nothing going on vocally. Also, science has shown that when you vocalize, your body experiences more pleasure. So it's a great thing all the way around. Now, some of you might be thinking, what happens if I don't like something? What do I do then? Unless it's something that is pain or humiliation in the moment, don't refer to it and address it right then. Wait until outside of the bedroom, maybe over lunch, coffee the next day, maybe over the weekend, to really discuss what you liked or didn't like. And then, of course, Sexy September Couples Challenge. It's still happening. Starting on the 1st. You have to sign up before the 1st to be a part of it. All of you couples out there, yes, back to school, August, but September 1st, back to us. Sexy September Couples Challenge. Head over to my Instagram, Dr. Viviana, spell it out, and you'll DM the word September, and I'll send over how to sign up.
All right, you got to use your words.
Yep.
Use your words. Yes.
Long story short.
We learned that when we were little, and you keep it up the rest of your life.
There we go.
All
I
right.
like that.
Dr. V, thank you for that. If you have some dramatic video